Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language in the Google Chrome app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Google Chrome. On the top right corner, tap on these three little dots. Then go to the settings on the bottom. And if you scroll down here, you will see languages. Tap on the languages. And here you can select on the top, for example, English. Or if you tap on the language, then you can search for your own language. Then it will change instantly after you selected. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.